I want to go through something regarding the Google ad side of things that I think most people don't truly understand. So for the Google Display Network, which is what most people think of when they think of retargeting, that's when you see the banner ads all over the place on Fox News and ESPN, Huffington Post, and everywhere else you see banners. You'll notice that you need a minimum of 100 active visitors within a 30-day range in order for that campaign to actually kick on. So for a lot of local businesses, that's a big number. And keep in mind, not every click actually leads to an active visitor. You'll have guys that have blockers on, ad blockers, pixel blockers, things like that, and not everyone counts. So you've got to be in a niche that gets a lot of clicks or have a lot of organic traffic or direct traffic in order to have enough people pixel to get that list size large enough.